Welcome back. We are on Chapter 1, Lesson 1, Variables and Expressions, Part 3, Expressions. We are going to begin to do something I call English to Math. I will be giving you statements. You are to take those English written statements, meaning they're with words, and write them as a math expression. What I like to do is begin by reading the expression from beginning to end, the product of a number and 6. I return back to the beginning and start highlighting or underlining important parts. Product, we discussed, answer to a multiplication problem. A number, we don't know the number, so we need to use a variable. And 6 is an integer. I then will write a few different types of answers. 6n, a number written next to a letter, means multiplication. 6 parenthesis n, or n parenthesis 6. All three are acceptable. The best answer is 6n. Never write 6xn, meaning 6 times n, or nx6, n times 6. As we move throughout the year, we're going to have multiple variables, and I will begin to wonder if the letter x means multiplication or the variable. Here is another one. The product of a number w and the sum of 5 and 9. Again, I like to read from beginning to end, and then I go back through and underline or highlight some of the key math elements. Product, answer to a multiplication problem. A number w, I didn't give you an option on what letter to pick. Sum, answer to an addition problem. Of 5 and 9, both are integers. Please take a moment, pause the video, literally stop the video, write your expression so we can compare answers. A few of the answers that I came up with: W, meaning parentheses, 5 plus 9. Remember, something written next to parentheses means multiplication. I had to put 5 plus 9 in grouping symbols so that I knew it was the sum of these two elements right here. Some of you, I'm sure, went a step further, distributed and combined like terms to end at 14W. Here are two I'd like you to try by yourself. Again, please pause the video, write them down, and we will compare answers. Welcome back. Thank you for pausing the video. 51 increased by triple a number. I would have highlighted increased, triple, and a number. I wrote 51 plus 3n or 3n plus 51. Are both of these okay? I believe they will be. For the commutative property of addition, I can add in any order and I will get the same answer. 9 less than 4 times a number. Compare your answer to mine. Oh, wait, I have a couple answers. Is it 9 minus 4n? 9 minus 4 times a number. I chose n. If you picked a different letter, that would be fine. Or is it 4n minus 9? I warned you in the first lesson to be very careful with the less than symbol. Less than, you almost have to write the math problem backwards. It means subtraction, but you want 4 times a number minus the 9. Now we're going to go in the opposite direction. I am not going to read this one out loud or I'll give away the answer. Again, please pause the video and change that math problem to English. You never need to spell out a number. For the number 3, you may write the digit 3. You do not need to write T-H-R-E-E. Again, please pause the video. Welcome back. There are a lot of ways to write this. A few choices are 3 times a number n squared plus 9. The product of 3 and a number n squared is increased by 9. The sum of 3 times a number n squared and 9. Oops, I gave you the answers at the beginning. Pretend you didn't see that. Would you have written one of the same 3 choices I have? Some of the key things you need to notice is we have to get this part of the equation or expression grouped together. So I will need to use the word difference so that I know it will be x minus 8 or 8 less than x. It has to be the difference.